Need your Spectrum account number? It's a 10-digit code, usually starting with 5 or 6, essential for managing your services. Don't confuse it with your username or password. We'll show you how to find it through the Spectrum app, website, and on your paper bill. First, let's look at the easiest method, which is the app. The easiest method is through the Spectrum app. Download it on iOS or Android, log in, and your account number appears at the top of the account summary page. Next is the website method. Visit spectrum.net, sign in, and go to the Account tab. Click on Account Details and your number is listed prominently. Lastly, check your paper bill. Look at the top right corner of the first page where it's labeled as Account Number. If you don't have a recent bill, you can request one. Let's dive into each method. Using the Spectrum app on iOS or Android. Download and log in to the app. Tap the menu icon, select Account or Billing, and your account number is at the top. Enable notifications for easy access later. Via spectrum.net, sign in on the website. Go to the Account tab, then Account Details or Billing Overview. Your number is displayed there. Remember to use incognito mode on shared devices. On your paper bill, find your most recent bill. The account number is in the top right corner, labeled Account Number or Customer Account. If you can't find your paper bill, you can also request a duplicate online.